Stick around. We're going to do a food review today that's a little different. We're going to cook some barrel chicken. Good morning. It is April 18th and it is 6:30 in the morning. 25 degrees. Still winter here in Colorado. Today I'm cooking for a friend's funeral. So I'm getting to the church early. I've got my barrels over there. We're going to do chicken in a barrel. I got to get the barrels started because it's so chilly that I'm not sure how long these chickens are going to take. So we're going to get started on that this morning, get the coals hot so I can get those chickens in the barrel. All right, stay tuned. We're going to have a good time. Made to the church. Okay, we're going to get this put in the barrels. That was a good shot. Okay, I like to take a little rock and put it underneath. That way the briquettes get a nice little air under it. Okay. Alrighty. All right, let's take this. So we've got our briquettes in there. We'll get them fired up and barrels warmed up. And about 35 or 40 minutes from now, they should be ready for the chicken. I'm going to take the chicken out of the refrigerator. I came over here yesterday and seasoned it all. So we're going to take it out of the refrigerator now. Give it a chance to warm up just a bit before we put it in the barrels. Wow, it's dark in here. Okay. See, the chicken's all seasoned and ready to go. The next step is to put the hooks in the chickens, and you have to be careful to make sure you get under the bone of the ribs and then underneath the wing. So we'll go ahead and put all these on. Chickens are all hooked up, ready to go. They're warming up pretty good. So now it's time to check the coals and see if we'll put them on. I'm gonna give them another 15 minutes, I think. So that flame dies down to the coals and we'll be ready. It's a shout out to my buddy Torres and fellow engineer. Time for coffee, my friend. Have a good day. This is all part of cooking here. Gotta keep the dishes clean. Now it's time to put the bars in. So we'll get these in. And then we'll hang the chickens. So, barrels are closed up, everything's ready to cook. It is 7:31 in the morning, so hopefully in a few hours they'll be ready. Let's go inside and drink a cup of coffee. All right, the chickens are done, and pulling them out. They look pretty good, don't they? All right, once we get them out, we're gonna take them down. We're gonna wrap them in foil, throw them in the ice chest, and let them rest.
Explain to them how that's done.
Okay, boys are after it, wrapping them in foil.
Yep. Now you like to use the 5,000 pound concrete, not the 3,300 stuff. Right.
Chicken's all chopped up. We didn't get any video of that because I was a little too busy. Chicken's in there, potatoes gonna be here, green beans, pasta salad, rolls. We are ready to go. All right, we have been serving. This is where we're at. Cheesy potatoes, green beans, pasta salad, green salad, all of the fixins, veggie plate. Come on, Michelle, you want to be in there. And rolls and butter. Yay! Kevin will be able to watch you on TV now. That was a long, long day. It's about 1:30 right now. Kitchen's cleaned, everything's picked up, swept and mopped the floors. Food was fantastic. Everybody pitched in and helped. Kind of a different food review video, but thank you for coming along. If you like these kind of videos, please subscribe and hit the bell so you know when we post more videos. And until then, we'll see you on the road.